Welcome to my YT channel! Yes! So, ayan guys, for today's vlog is, ano ba? Umalis po ako today at kasama ko po ang aking pinaka-close na nurse. So, for today vlog is yun po yung dito, naglakwatsa po kasi ako guys, kasama ko yung nurse. At meron po madami po akong napicturean sa pinuntahan po namin. At gusto ko lang po ipakita sa inyo kung saan po kami pumunta at kung anong meron sa pinuntahan namin. So, watch nyo na lang guys. So, let's move it.
When I was young, I felt a mystery unraveling right before my eyes of grace. Oh, so sweet, oh, so sweet. I knew you well and you knew me too, didn't you? I felt your arms, your love carried me. But as time moved on, so did I. Looking back now, wondering why I let you slip away from me. Bring me back to wonder, feeling how you want to and know that you can. And find me in the chaos before I trip and get lost. Take my hand and lead me back to the time when I saw you through the eyes of a child. Bring me back to wonder, feeling how you want to and know that you can. Back to wonder. Hours spent with you as I recall are wonderful. You kept me so close, oh, how glorious, glorious. Underneath the sky, you and me were so free. My worries like a kite, so far from me, far from me. But as time moved on, so did I. Looking back now, wondering why I let you fade away from me. Bring me back to wonder, feeling how you want to and know that you can. Yeah, find me in the chaos before I trip and get lost. Take my hand and lead me back to the time when I saw you through the eyes of a child. Bring me back to wonder, feeling how you want to and know that you can. Back to time with the water's edge. Closer, closer, come and draw me in. Closer, closer, I'm done with the water's edge. Closer, closer, come and draw me in. Bring me back to wonder, feeling how you want to and know that you can. And find me in the chaos before I trip and get lost. Take my hand.
So, ayan guys, kung napanood nyo ang slideshow ba tawag dun guys, kasi walang boses ko, kanta lang tapos nag-slide lang ang napicturean ko guys. So, ayun guys, yun yung pinuntahan po namin ng nurse na kasama ko. At medyo malayo siya dito. Excuse me, 30 minutes guys. 30 to 40 minutes yung biyahe namin guys. So, yun. Maganda siya. Maganda naman. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang guys is pang familihan. Kumbaga, pang family yung pasyaran na pinuntahan po namin ng nurse. Akala namin kasi pwede, pero pwede siguro kasi ang daming couples dun guys. Kami nga lang dalawa ng nurse na kaming magkababae lang ang pumunta dun. Ay, ano tawag dito guys? Kaming dalawa lang basta halos lahat ng guys, family, tsaka couples. Wala po yung mag-friends na pumupunta dun guys. So, kaya nga sabi namin ng nurse na kami lang yung magkaibigan na pumunta doon. Kasi hindi pa namin kasi napuntahan yun, guys. Hindi pa rin niya pinuntahan yun. Tapos ako din, hanggang ngayon 24 years old na ako, guys, at hindi pa ako nakakarating doon. Kaya nagtry lang po kami, guys, at maganda naman siya, pero ang masasabi lang namin is pang family or basta pambata yung view, kumbaga pambata, para sa mga bata yung pasyaran na pinuntahan po namin. So, yun, pero it's okay, maganda naman kasi malaking balls, nandun yung mga yung mga stars, mga sun, so basta yun lang yung nagustuhan lang namin kasi nakita lang namin sa Instagram, guys, at gusto namin matry na puntahan yun, guys. Tapos nung pumunta kami, at ngayon yun, guys, kaninang umaga kami pumunta, pambata, guys. Pero maganda naman siya, nakakasaya naman, guys. So, yun lang masasabi ko, guys. At pasensya na po kayo, guys, kung hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon sa pinuntahan namin. Ang nakaya ko lang po is mag-video na unti at picture. Yun lang yung nakaya ko, guys, kasi bawal po mag-vlog, guys. Kung di, mahuhuli po ako, guys. So, ayun, guys, yun lang yung yung vlog ko for today. At mayroon lang ako sasabihin sa inyo na may nagregalo po sa akin na Chanel. So, ayan guys, thank you po sa nagbigay. At sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung sino. At nag-video po ako na i-open tong gift sa akin, guys. Baka gawin ko pong short movie or next na vlog ko, gawin ko po ito vlog or basta ipopost ko po ito sa YouTube. Panoorin po, guys, kung ano ang laman nito, guys. At thank you po sa nag-gift sa akin at sobrang mahal na mahal ko siya. So, ayun, guys, alam niyo na kung sino, guys. At yun. So, hanggang dito na lang ang aking for today vlog. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye-bye.